Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Today, the topic of my video is lovebirds medicine. As you see in my videos that my birds are healthy. I use these medicines in my own risk. You can use these medicines on your own risk. So I want to tell you for bird sickness, I use Panadol Syrup. It's children's Panadol liquid syrup. You can ask quantity on comment section because many people have different birds, so I can assist you how much you can give them. If you found your bird sitting same place and teary eyes, you can use Panadol syrup. I'm going to show you the bottle of the syrup. Shake well before use. As you know, calcium is very important for your bird health, so I prefer Mutalium syrup. You can give them, and its flavor is lemon, so your birds can drink easily. It's 120 ml syrup, vitamin A, D, B1, B2, B6, and many vitamins in that syrup. It is beneficial for your birds, so I give them thrice in a week for their better health because it contains 8 essential vitamins, so you can give them. If you found that your bird is puking, then Mutalium is the best option for them. 120 ml oral suspension syrup you can give them. If you found that your bird continuously puking, flagell is used for lovebirds watery poop, like loose motion. If you found on their cage their poop is watery, then immediately give them flagell syrup because I give them, so I share my experience with you. These all medicines I tried, that's why I'm giving you suggestion. This medicine is Sulfur 30 and it is homeopathic remedy. I use this medicine for lovebirds itching problem when they scratch their bodies, so it can help them to relieve their pain and for itchiness. So I prefer you to give because I'm giving them right now because my one bird is suffering from this disease. If you found a scratch on their eyes, you can use this Polyfix eye ointment, so it will recover their eye area, their white eye area. Betagenic, I use this cream for their wound, but after holding my bird, I immediately clean that tube because it is not safe if they eat it. So make sure to use any tube clean with cotton. I use this capsule for their infection. I suggest many videos Vibromycin capsule. You can ask me quantity. I will assist you according to your birds. So I have only one capsule because I gave them. This medicine is good for beak problem, eye problem, any infection if you found that your bird is suffering from, because it's like save your bird. It's Boric Acid. You can dissolve this in water and then clean your bird infected area, whether it's eye or their feet. I use this tablet when my bird got eye disease. I made video on that. Its name is like erythrocin 250. Pink tablet I give to my bird 1/4. I used eye drops for my bird eye infection. Methclor eye drop. I use this drop. And another option is you can use other eye drop that I will suggest you is Betanol N 7.5 ml. You can easily get drops for eye, ear and nose. Any medical store you can find these drops. You just need to give them only 1 drops per eye. I hope you like my video, and I won't suggest you breeding capsules because you can give them fresh food, fresh water, vegetables and fruits. That's enough for their breeding season. And also egg diet.